Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, and in this video we are looking how to write our first program in Spring Boot, and of course that is the program of the Hello World, like a basic simple program. So you all know how to generate the Spring Boot project, and if you don't, you can see my previous video on this, how to generate a Spring Boot project. Okay, so you just have to write on the, if you are on Google, okay, so just write start.spring.io. okay, basically it is a Spring initializer. So this is how our Spring initializer looks like. Okay, so I was working on Gradle Kotlin Java language and 3.0.2. okay, one group is basically our package. So this is our hello world program, so package name is just hello. Just also give this a name. Project name is also hello. Okay, packaging of course jar and Java version 17, and add dependencies. So the basic two dependencies are Spring Web. Okay, you can read about this dependencies like working as a building web including RESTful APIs and using Spring MVC. So this is the basic dependency, and another one is that uh, Spring Boot Dev Tools provide fast restarts and live reload. Okay, automatic reloading. Okay. So these two are basic dependencies which you have added in every project you are making. Okay. Other than that, you can add also other dependencies also, but these two are basic dependencies. So okay. For now, we are good to go with these two dependencies because we are generating just a hello world program. Okay. So now just generate, and it will give us a zip file, and let's unzip that file and go to our VS Code. Okay, so now we have opened our project in VS Code editor, and let's see what's inside our project. uh, First of all, we need to see that build.gradle.kts file, and I have also explained about this file in my previous video where I have told about how the dependencies are added in this file. Okay, so this is the Spring Boot Starter Web and Spring Boot DevTools. These two dependencies I have added, and the this is a test dependency. This will be automatically added to your project. Okay, so this is the main file where dependencies are added. Okay, so just remove for now. So in our main folder, we can see this hello.application.java. This is our main file, or we can say a kind of entry point for our Spring Boot project. So this is how it's look like. Okay, so if we are creating other files or we are working on a big project, so we have just created, this is the main folder. Inside this we have created different packages or folders or files. Okay, so basically for now this is our main file. And so to creating a hello world program, we need a first of all a controller. Okay, so basically what a controller is, it is a like you it because it is running on a localhost port number 8080. It is a default port number of a Tomcat server which was running by the Spring Boot's default server. So it was running on the localhost 8080. But if you are open it, it will show nothing to you. Okay, so you have to make a controller by the help of which you can go to your paths. Okay, I will show you how. So now let's click on this hello, this function. Okay, and here we have creating a new file like hello. File name is hello controller. Okay, we can give any name to it, but I'm giving a hello controller. So in this hello controller class, we are creating a function like this one. Okay, hello, and just simply return hello world. But it is still not running. You know why? Because we have to give it a mapping. Okay, so we have a get mapping annotation. It is basically Spring Boot is totally dependent on these kinds of annotations. When we learn in further videos, you will see we have used many other annotations. Okay, so here we are using a get mapping annotation. Basically, it is a HTTP request, get request, post request, put, delete. So these kinds of requests, this is okay. And we have to give it a hello or just hey, okay. So we are just giving a name to it, okay. That if we are going to localhost 8080 and slash hey, then we will see this hello world to our program, okay. So now this is our entry point, okay. So we have to run this file, and you can see when I was running it, uh, it was running on the port number 8080 because this is a default port of the Tomcat server which was used by the Spring Boot, okay. So to use this we have just write localhost 8080, but if we hit enter, there you can see nothing because we don't make any page on the this one, but we have created a page hey. So you can see just we have entered a right path slash hey, but we still don't get anything here. So let's see what's the error, okay. And this is our controller class. So in our controller class we have to give it a annotation like a rest controller, okay. So I have told you earlier that Spring Boot is totally working on the annotations. So the controller class should be annotated with the REST controller, okay. And I have added the Spring Boot dev tool dependency, so it will be automatically restarted, okay. And now we can see in our browser and refresh it, then you can see hello world, okay. So it is that much simple, okay. That is how you can create a hello world or a basic program in Spring Boot, okay. So thank you for this video and see you in the next video.